Good morning to everyone. We have topic discussed about the hydraulic power supply. The hydraulic power supply is the source of high pressure oil for the hydraulic motor and the servo valves. The main component of the hydraulic power supply shown in figure. Okay, a pump supplying the high pressure oil, frequently used in type the gear pump or radial or axial displacement pump. An electric motor am usually the 3-base induction motor for driving the pump, a line filter for protecting the servo system for any dirt or chips, a coarse filter located as the input to the pump for protecting the latter against contamination that has entered the oil supply. The check valve for eliminating the reverse flow from the accumulator into the pump. A pressure regulating valve for controlling the supply pressure into the servo system. An accumulator for storing hydraulic energy and for smoothing the pulsating knob. The accumulation can provide the large amount of energy and a short interval of time. The load characterized by an average demands with the below of required peak accumulator supplies the peak requirement and is subsequently recharged by the pump. Another functions are accumulator smooth pulsation caused by the pump variation, sudden motion of valve, accumulator functions like capacitors and electric circuit. Servo valves. The servo valves electronic the servo valve. The servo valve. Electronic servo valve control flow the high pressure oil to the hydraulic motor. The servo valve serves the voltage activating signal. It drives the solenoid device to move the valve spool. The magnitude of the input voltage V defines the flow rate of oil Q through the valve, assuming that oil pressure drop across valve is constant. Flowing relationships is valid. Q is equal to KV. K is the constant. The flow rate of oil the valve is proportional to the velocity of hydraulic motor. Time constant of servo valve in high power system is 1 order to 5 that is usually negligible compared with the other lags in the system. The used oil is returned or sump or tank through the special return line. The oil is fed back to the hydraulic power supply in the form of source and fluid for the latter. Hydraulic motor. The hydraulic motor or actuator is either hydraulic cylinder for linear motion or rotary type motor for angular motions. The hydraulic cylinder is due to large limited to relatively small motion. The rotary hydraulic motor is usually used in large power servo system. It operates high speed and is geared down to the lead screw, which drive the table. Simplified the equation commonly used for determining the steady state speed or hydraulic motion is V is equal to KQ, where Q is the flow of rate of the oil through the values and V is the motor speed. The K is the constant. Next we have to move the pneumatic drive. Like pneumatic systems, pneumatic drives also obey the same principle, pressurizing a fluid and delivering under pressure to where it can work as in the hydraulic component. In pneumatic power, an air compressor is used in place of hydraulic pump and is usually located in remote positions within the factory. The location is usually away from the shop floor. The compressor will normally be such size able to provide the compressed air supply. Whole industry for various pneumatically operated and controlled and equipped high pressure air force powers in CNC machine in under 5 bar low pressure for various control functions. In about 1 bar, the results of air being compressed heat, water and oil introduction to air supply. Cooler are used to remove heat and much of the water. The remaining water will require draining at regular points in system. The falling ring system as shown illustrated frictions they have to heavier than air.